Hey, Jenny Jones here, Small Business SaaS Use Case TV. Hey, what I wanted to do was show you one hack because based on surveys, Gmail is still the most utilized email that there is out there. If you can take a look at this particular chart, you can see that Gmail is still that much more in demand. But what I want to do is show you a nice little hack, show you a little free tool that allows you to get into the top of an email box by putting your offers and your discounts right at the top. Let's go ahead and take a look at that tool. All right, so what happens is, I think most of you know, you've seen this one little promotions tab that sits up here inside of Gmail. Now, what if you could get your offers in right here where you can let people know, hey, I have a deal right here. It's going to be 70% off. You let them know that it expires in 2 days, right? And this is your offer right here. And then you put in your code, your offer code. What if you had a tool that allowed you to do that, right? A tool that you create, just a template for Gmail, and it actually identifies this and it comes into an email box. And again, I've already shown you a chart of Gmail being the number one. We still can get deals inside of there. People are all talking about the chat GPT and all that, which I think is a good technology, but I don't think we still need to get away from how do we market and interact and understand buyer behavior. Everyone's always looking for a good deal. If you tell someone they have 70% off, you know exactly what they're looking for. This is still a good deal. Let's take a look inside the actual tool. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you the name of the tool a little bit later, but what I wanted to do is just show you the elements of it. It is a HTML theme builder for any email that you utilize, and they have a lot of different ways you can export it out, but you can build the email in different blocks here. I'm going to do another video. I'll probably point to that up here or at the top, or there'll be a link to it below. But for this particular video, I only wanted to focus on the promotions tab. Now, what you're going to see here is you can add the promotional tag here. This is for the actual video that you're putting together. And this is one that I created here, Find Your Perfect Valentine's Gift. And so let's look at how we add that here. So this is our inbox here, and we says, hey, I want to put my display offer badge in there. So I turn that on. And so we can do here, we can go, hey, 30% off. We can go 30% off. We can add that there, right? And then I can put a promotional code here. Just put a promo 123 -2 or something like that. That's the promo code that you want them to use, and then let them know, set the date for the discount offer to expire. So this offer expires, and we'll go here, we'll go 25 here. So it says, hey, it expires in 4 days. So then you can do that, and I can put my logo in here, and I can put a promotional image. Maybe it's a basket or something like that, but the logo will show up here, and the actual image will show up underneath there, and it'll show you what it is, like some flowers or something like that. So that's it. That's all you need to do. I'm going to do another video on the actual tool, but there is a link to it, and a link, and you can have it's free sign up. Doesn't require a credit card or anything like that. So I'll put a link below so you can go ahead and take a look at this new tool. It's called Stripo, and I'll put a link below in there. I'm going to be bringing you some more tools, but I'm going to do a full demo of this in the next video. All right. But again, this is how we're going to start getting into the inbox. Got to be more creative, but it is the number one. Gmail is the number one email box used. And I just think this is just another way we can get in there. I love this feature for this particular tool. All right. This has been Jenny Jones, Small Business, trying to help you guys grow your business by showing you these little different hacks to help you increase your bottom line. Take care. Goodbye for now.